Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore the exciting world of ChatGPT 5, a cutting-edge language model that's taking the tech world by storm. Get ready to discover how this powerful tool is revolutionizing communication, creativity and even education. So let's start our video. First you have to understand what is ChatGPT 5. ChatGPT 5 is a large language model LLM. This is trained on a massive dataset of text and code. This dataset includes books, articles, quotes, and other form of text. As a result, ChatGPT 5 is able to understand and generate human quality text. LLMs are a type of artificial intelligence AI that is designed to understand and generate human language. They are trained on a massive dataset of text and code, and they are able to learn the patterns and rules of human language. This allows them to generate text that is grammatically correct and that makes sense. Now I tell you what can ChatGPT 5 do. ChatGPT 5 can be used for a variety of tasks, but we discuss some interesting and important tasks. Number 1. ChatGPT 5 can be used to generate text of any length, including short paragraphs, essays, and even novels. It can also be used to write different kinds of creative content like poems, quotes, scripts, musical pieces, emails, letters, etc. Number 2. ChatGPT 5 can translate text between over 25 languages. It can also translate text from one language to another and back again, which can be useful for checking translations. Number 3. ChatGPT 5 can be used to write code in a variety of programming languages. It can also be used to debug code and to generate code snippets. Number 4. ChatGPT 5 can be used to create chatbot applications that can interact with users in a natural and engaging way. Chatbots can be used for a variety of purposes such as customer service, education, and entertainment. As you know, ChatGPT 5 has many benefits and features, but on the other side, they also have some limitations. First, it is still a machine learning model and it is therefore susceptible to the same biases as the data it is trained on. This means that it is important to be aware of these biases when using ChatGPT 5. Second, ChatGPT 5 is not always perfect. It can sometimes make mistakes such as generating factually incorrect information. It is therefore important to use ChatGPT 5 responsibly and to carefully review its output before using them. Now we talk about what makes ChatGPT 5 different from other chatbots. ChatGPT 5 is different from previous versions of GPT in a number of ways. First, it is much larger. ChatGPT 5 has 1.56 trillion parameters, which is 10x more than GPT-3. This means that it is able to learn more complex patterns in language and generate more informative text. Second, ChatGPT is more accurate. ChatGPT 5 has been trained on a dataset of text that has been carefully curated for accuracy. This means that it is less likely to make mistakes such as generating factually incorrect information. Third, ChatGPT 5 is more creative. ChatGPT 5 can generate a wider variety of creative text formats such as poems, quotes, scripts, musical pieces, letters, etc. Now I will tell you potential applications of ChatGPT 5. Number 1. Generate human quality text for a variety of purposes such as marketing copy, news articles, and creative writing. Number 2. Translate languages. Number 3. Write different kinds of creative content such as poems, quotes, scripts, musical pieces, emails, letters, etc. Number 4. Answer questions in an informative way. Number 5. Provide customer service and much more. ChatGPT 5 is very helpful and beneficial tool for you. It's improve your communication, exchange, creativity, and it can be used to create personalized learning experiences that are tailored to each student's needs. ChatGPT 5 is a powerful tool with the potential to transform the way we live and work. It's important to use it responsibly and ethically, but there's no doubt that this technology has the potential to make a positive impact on the world. I hope you found this video helpful. Must like the video and please subscribe our channel for more informative videos on artificial intelligence and technology.